Filing of nominations for the second phase of the Lok Sabha elections will end today. The Election Commission of India (ECI) has termed the false claim of messages being circulated on social media platform on WhatsApp that government employees cannot cast their vote through postal ballot. Prime Minister and senior BJP leader Narendra Modi will address a public meeting at Ras Leela Maidan in Cooch Behar, West Bengal today. Agni Prime missile has been successfully flight tested in Odisha yesterday. In IPL cricket, Gujarat Titans will take on Punjab Kings at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad today. The match will start at 7:30 p.m.